Choose the best travel insurance plan every time. More than just a way to get away from regular life, travel offers the opportunity to recharge, see the world from fresh angles, and make lifelong memories. But as exciting as it is to start thinking about your future journey, it's important to take precautions against unforeseen setbacks. At this point, having travel insurance is essential. The multitude of online options accessible when it comes to travel insurance might make it difficult to navigate the market. Knowing your needs and the coverage that best suits your trip is essential to choosing the finest travel insurance package. Having the correct insurance can be crucial for a variety of reasons, including emergency medical coverage, lost luggage protection, and trip cancellation protection. Find out how to select the ideal travel insurance plan based on your needs, travel dates, and destination. Discover how to weigh the pros and cons of various plans, compare prices, and make sure your next journey is completely covered. Knowing you're protected for any eventuality when you have the appropriate travel insurance allows you to concentrate on enjoying your trip to the fullest. We may both broaden our views and escape the grind of everyday life by traveling. When we travel, we give ourselves the chance to remove ourselves from the situation, take a moment to reflect, and restore our spirits. However, visiting a new location always involves some uncertainty, which is why having sufficient travel insurance is essential. Online travel insurance is offered by several insurance providers. You can look through the different online travel insurance policies that are offered, evaluate and contrast them, and choose the finest travel insurance plan that best suits your needs and budget. You can save time and effort by purchasing travel insurance online. Travel insurance. What is it? Through a travel insurance policy, an insurance provider safeguards the policyholder against potential financial losses that may arise while on a particular trip. It is possible to acquire travel insurance for both domestic and foreign travel. The best time to buy travel insurance is when you are making travel plans if that answers your question. Like your airline or rail ticket and hotel reservation, you should view travel insurance as an essential component of your travel plans. A travel insurance policy serves as a financial buffer to shield you from the financial effects of any unfavorable circumstances that may arise while you're away from home, such as illness, accident, lost luggage, and canceled or postponed trip plans. The value of both domestic and foreign travel insurance has become even more apparent in the post-pandemic world. Benefits and coverage of the greatest travel insurance policy. Travel insurance offers several advantages, some of which are covered here. Travel assistance. If something unfavorable happens while you're traveling, you may count on support from your travel policy, including emergency travel services, cash transfers, and advances. Accident coverage. Your travel insurance policy protects you financially in the event of an accident during your vacation by paying for your hospital stays and other medical costs. Protection against illness. Your travel insurance policy will pay for hospital stays and medical transportation costs should you become unwell while traveling. Visit Tata AIG to find out more about travel medical insurance. Personal liability coverage. Your travel insurance coverage protects you financially against the cost of any injuries or damage to third parties that may occur during your trip if you were involved in an accident. Hijack cover. The Tata AIG travel insurance policy provides you with a distress allowance in the unfortunate event that your flight is hijacked. Assistance for delayed or lost baggage. Your travel insurance policy allows you to receive reimbursement for the cost of the things in your baggage if it is delayed or lost during transit. Study up on our travel insurance. Loss of passport. Should you misplace or lose your passport while traveling, the cost of obtaining a duplicate will be covered by your travel insurance policy. Find out more about our passport insurance loss. Travel insurance policy extension automatically. If your flight home is delayed, your policy will automatically be extended for an additional 7 days. COVID-19 coverage. Your travel insurance policy will pay the costs associated with obtaining a duplicate passport if you misplace or lose your passport while traveling. Find out more about our passport insurance loss. Policies that are reasonably priced. Travel insurance plans offer comprehensive protection at reasonable costs. For example, Tata AIG, one of the greatest travel insurance providers in India, offers domestic and international travel insurance plans for as little as Rs 26 per day and as low as Rs 40.82 per day. How do I choose a sufficient travel insurance policy? You can quickly determine the cost of various travel insurance policies by using the Travel Insurance Premium Calculator. As a result, comparing travel insurance policies and buying an appropriate local or international policy online are simple processes. You need to consider your insurance budget, the local conditions unique to your travel destination, and the level of coverage you desire when choosing the best travel insurance plan for you. These are a few things to think about while choosing a travel insurance policy that works for you. Where you're going to travel, the destination you are visiting, especially if you are traveling abroad, will influence the choice of your travel insurance coverage. The political and social climates of many nations vary, as do the levels of safety. Additionally, every country has its laws and regulations about travel. For example, several nations refuse to grant travel visas to people who do not possess a current sufficient travel insurance policy. As a result, it is wise to buy a sufficient travel insurance policy at the time of trip preparation. The length of your stay. The anticipated length of your stay at the chosen location is a significant element influencing the cost of your travel insurance coverage. To cover unforeseen circumstances and modifications to your vacation itinerary, make sure the chosen travel insurance plan offers coverage for a few extra days beyond the length of your anticipated stay. The automatic 7-day coverage extension provided by the Tata AIG travel insurance policy happens if your return flight is delayed or canceled. Find out more about our insurance against canceled flights. Consequently, if your travel arrangements change, you already have an extra 7 days of coverage. The frequency of travel. Depending on how frequently you travel, you must choose the right level of coverage from your travel insurance. A single-trip policy is a good choice if you just intend to visit a certain location once. However, you must choose a multi-trip travel insurance plan that gives you coverage for several journeys to a destination without having to pay an additional premium for each trip if you want to travel to that destination relatively regularly. The number of travelers. It is crucial to let the insurer know how many individuals you are purchasing travel insurance coverage when choosing a policy. You could go ahead and get individual travel insurance coverage if you are traveling alone. To ensure adequate coverage for everyone traveling with you, you must add the details of each member of the traveling party to the chosen travel insurance policy, whether they are friends, relatives, or coworkers. Claim limit. There is a limit on claims associated with each component of your travel insurance coverage. Every claim, including those for medical bills and lost luggage, has a maximum amount guaranteed that sets the top limit of the claim. Consequently, it's critical to select a sufficient sum promised for your travel insurance policy and guarantee comprehensive coverage for both you and your traveling companions. Recall that paying a somewhat higher premium is a tiny thing to pay for guaranteed support and financial security when traveling, especially if the destination is outside of your country. In summary, the finest foreign travel insurance coverage does not exist. The ideal travel insurance plan for you is one that offers sufficient coverage for your trip and stay and safeguards your finances in the event of any unanticipated events such as illnesses, accidents, delayed flights, or cancellations. As a result, before choosing, carefully consider what kind of travel insurance you need. You may get comprehensive coverage, including coverage for COVID-19 at an affordable price with the Tata AIG travel insurance package. We provide international travel insurance coverage starting at Rs 40.82 per day and local travel insurance policies starting at Rs 26 per day. Visit our website to review our policies and select the one that best fits your insurance needs and price range. To sum up, getting the appropriate travel insurance is crucial to guaranteeing a hassle-free and joyful trip. You can obtain coverage that gives you peace of mind and protection against unanticipated catastrophes by carefully evaluating your travel demands and comparing different policies. The correct insurance plan will free you from worrying about future mishaps, so you can concentrate on making lifelong memories while traveling to new or old places. Recall that planning beforehand might help to ensure the safety of your trip. Thanks for watching.